What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so when we upload, you guys know. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I was actually involved in a motorcycle accident. It's been about a month. It happened on January 26th, and it is now February 26th. It's a month later since I can actually start walking again, and I can move under my own strength again. Now, I just took the cover off and I'm looking at my motorcycle for the first time. Honestly, not as bad as I thought, which I'm kind of happy for, but I'm not keeping this bike anymore. It's actually up for sale. But anyways, quick story on what happened. So me, Vic, and Kyle, you guys know Vic and Kyle, they're always in the videos. We went out riding that day. They came to my house around 11 o'clock. I actually just finished the second to last video that I uploaded, and we went out for a ride. We were riding all day, having fun, whatever, right? Well, went, picked up Joey, went up. There's an area, if you guys aren't in Tucson, there's an area up here called Gates Pass. It's a nice road, curvy, lots of turns. We were coming back down because it was about, I want to say 4:30, 5 o'clock, maybe 5:30, I can't remember. Sun was going down, and we just wanted to beat the sun coming down from the mountain. So we took this one road, and I mean, we're getting it. We're coming back down, we're getting it. I want to say doing 80, 90 around some turns. We come over a hill, and at this point, for some reason, I got the feeling of just a very uncomfortable feeling, which I should have followed my gut. And this is why a lot of this happened, was because I didn't follow my own advice, which, if you guys don't know what it is, I go by a saying, obviously I didn't go by it this time, but applies to driving and riding. Do not ride or drive out of your comfort zone, which is what I did. Came up around it, and I slowed down to about 40. Speed limit was 35. Slowed down to about 40 and hit the turn, and I'm all the way over. I mean, my bike has a stunt cage, and I was pretty far over. But mid-turn, back tire actually slipped, which for some reason my initial reaction was to tap the back brake, which I guess just under all that and tensing up, I ended up locking up the rear brake, which then the bike slid. It popped back up, slid, and pretty much threw me off. Like, if it high centered and just threw me off. When it was actually in the process of throwing me off, I looked down. I was still doing about 40. Tumbled everything, hit the guardrail. I realized I hit it, laid back, everything was a little foggy, caught my breath, looked up, and saw my leg was facing completely east, and I was facing southwest. So I was like, oh fuck, broke my leg, oh, and I'm laying there. So once I realized what happened, calmed down, looked over, a guy was calling the ambulance, which, if you guys have a weak stomach, you guys won't want to skip or look away for a few seconds. But this is my leg. Broke my tib and fib. Ended up getting a rod inserted. And on initial impact, come to find out when I got to the hospital, ended up breaking my sternum, and right lung collapsed and had over 2 liters of blood in it. So yeah, sorry if I'm shaking. It's kind of cold. I'm not wearing a jacket. So yeah, really fucked myself up. Now, what everybody wants to see is the damage to the bike. It's actually not that bad. For those guys that don't know, I ride a 2008 Kawasaki ZX6R. I love this bike. I just straight piped it. Awesome. And then this happened. And honestly, I blame myself because I didn't follow my own advice. But either way, let me go ahead and show you guys the damage. So now, as if you can see from the front, we'll start from the front here. Broke the mirror right there, scraped up the front face here, nice dent on the tank. Now, like I said, I do have a stunt cage, which chewed up the rubber there pretty good and broke that rubber off. But honestly, it saved majority of the bike. And then coming to the back, broke the right peg and did that, which honestly, if you actually come back, it's actually not that bad at all. Like, the bike's actually in really good shape. I wish I can show you guys the tire, but there's a lot of stuff in the way and I'm still kind of crippled. I just started walking, honestly, like a few weeks, like not even a few weeks ago, like probably a week and 2 days ago. But honestly, the bike is not bad at all. It's actually in really good shape still. My riding adventures have come to an end, unfortunately, for now. Now, what I'm asked a lot, even from a lot of people, is, am I going to get back on two wheels? Absolutely, 100%. When? Probably not for another year until my chest fully heals. See, the main thing is my chest, just because I did break my sternum, which is a big thing. Pretty much holds in your ribs, and behind it's your lung and heart. I had 4 doctors specifically come in and tell me, like, how are you alive? I'm like, what do you mean? And they're like, dude, the impact you had and everything would, like, you're lucky your heart didn't explode. I'm like, thanks, man. Now, a lot of people might ask too, did I get a lot of road rash? Actually not. I was actually wearing proper PPE. My helmet, which is actually not in bad shape. I'll see if I can grab it right now, but so now if you can see right here, got this. I think this was from my mount because I had tape going across. Anyways, I have that. Let's go on this side over here of the helmet. This side got scraped up here, and then right here on the visor. Other than that, like, the helmet itself is actually in really good shape. On a little nick here, but that's it really. The helmet itself is actually pretty good. Like, it's not damaged at all, nowhere else. I didn't bang my head. That's a bug guts. I didn't bang my head super hard. Good thing was I actually kept my head up. So it's actually gone now, but road rash right there. Let me see if we can see it on my knee here. Let me see. Road rash also. Oh yeah, you can still see it. It's still bruised, but on my knee right here and a little bit right there. And that's all the road rash I got because I was wearing the proper PPE. Helmet, a couple scrapes, GoPro came flying off, which we did find. So, fair warning, if you guys got a weak stomach, don't look, but got, let me flip this around here. Got that scar right there. It's purple just because I don't know why it's purple. But anyways, got that scar right there. Got that one where one screw went in. Got those two where the other 2 screws went in. And for the reveal of the big scar. It's actually not that bad. Now this right here is where the bone initially came out. They just continued the cut from here, but I got that right there. Continues all the way across. Which, not bad. But now what do I learn from this, from crashing my motorcycle? Don't ride, even for driving purposes, don't drive or ride out of your comfort zone. Literally, I was out of my comfort zone for maybe a couple minutes, and it happened so fast. Like, it happens quick. So, now that I'm walking, car content is coming back with the Roush. We got a lot more videos coming. Moto vlog wise may stop for probably for about a year until I get another bike and I'm 100% healed up and ready to go. Yeah, don't ride it out of your comfort zone. Wear your PPE. I didn't get that badly road rash, broke some bones, but hey, wear your PPE. Don't ride out of your comfort zone. Yeah. So, other than that, like I always say, don't stop. Keep going. I'll see you guys in the next video.